Have you ever wondered where Personal Macro Workbook is hidden? I'll show you where it is hidden, far away from plain sight. Personal Macro Workbook is one of the 3 locations where we can store a macro. Other locations comprise this workbook and new workbook. A macro stored in Personal Macro Workbook is available for use in all workbooks. It is located in XLStart folder, which is a hidden folder. To reach this folder, click Developer tab. Then click Visual Basic. In the Project Explorer window, select Personal Macro Book. Then in the immediate window, type this VBA code and press Enter key. Path of the XLStart folder will appear below the code. Select and copy this path. Then press Windows key and E key to open Windows Explorer. Left-click in the blank space of the Explorer, then once again right-click in the blank space. Then select Paste to enter the path of XLStart folder in the Explorer. Now press Enter key. The Personal Macro Workbook will appear in the XLStart folder.